Yes, it is, Sixpence. It's a sad song. You know what? I'll tell you what. Why don't you just go ahead and let it all out? Till I kissed her little sister. Sisters on my every time.
Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, every time. Till I kiss her little sister. Uh-oh.
And forgot my Clementine.
Mr. Chin Handy. All right, folks. Now it's time to get ready for that big spectacle.
Hey, Dolly!
What?
I was wondering if I could sing that.
You sing Sixpence Nose. We're the last number.
But I know this one.
Oh, I know, but you can't sing.
How would you know? You haven't stopped talking long enough to hear me.
Hey, folks, what do you think? You want to hear Sixpence sing?
No!
My people!
All right. Your people have spoken. We do have some time to kill before the big spectacle, and we might as well kill it good. But don't you expect us to tell you no mind. We got work to do.
Man, you go do your work.
All right.